Good evening. Looks like it's time for more snack ratings. Got some snacks here from the Asian. First, we have some green mochi. It's actually not matcha flavored, it's pandan. Pandan? I've actually never tried pandan before. It's the packaging. Try to get a good shot. Here's the mochi. Doesn't have a very strong smell. I mostly just smell the coconut, but the taste. It's chewy, but not too chewy. The taste was not very strong. I expected it to be pretty strong, but it wasn't. Tasted pretty good. I could actually taste the decorative coconut on top. For a rating, 7.9 out of 10. Alright, next, Japanese Kit Kat Gold. Package is already open. Had to freeze these because they were melting. Here it is. Well, the two pieces kind of melted together. Always break the chocolate. That is good. I clearly taste both the chocolate and the caramel. Doesn't quite look how it did on the package, but that's because it melted a bit. For a rating, 9.3 out of 10. Really good. Next, we have this Panda Cake, or I don't know what it is. Squishy. It's a little hard to... I'm holding up the phone. It's a little hard to do. Oopsie, my camera recording and paused buttons got mixed up in the middle section of this video, so I need to do a voiceover. So the Panda Cake, it has a lemon custard kind of flavor. It's kind of like a Twinkie, but also kind of like a different kind of snack cake. I don't remember exactly what kind. Can't quite put my finger on it. The rating is 8.2 out of 10. Next is the Botan rice candies, each of which comes with an inner wrapper that's made of edible rice paper. Try the wrapper on its own. Okay, so the wrapper has a really weird texture, but it's really good tasting candy. It's rice candy, but it tastes fruity. It has a, I don't know, cherry, strawberry flavor. I don't know if that's actually what it's flavored with, but 8.9 out of 10. Next is this white sesame cake. It's not what I would call a cake, I don't think, but the label says cancer and reproductive harm. I see this a lot on Asian food labels. What's up with that? Definitely smells like sesame. Doesn't smell very sweet, but it looks like it might have some honey or some syrup or something. It's hard. I don't know if I'm eating it the right way. The sesame flavor is really strong. Taste is sweeter than it smells. Kind of tastes like a sweet peanut butter mixed with cereal or something. I'm going to go 7.5 out of 10. And finally, we got Orion Turtle Chips Carbonara Hot Chicken flavor. It's really hard to open these. Made a little tear in it, but it doesn't want to open. Alright, so I just gave up and used scissors, and then I found the easy open tear. Anyways, let's give these a try. I like the texture. I really do like the texture. They melt in the mouth. They remind me of the 3D, the Layers Lays. Do they still have those? I don't think so. It's a nice flavor, but then the spice hits. Carbonara hot chicken flavor. I kind of taste cheese and some other savory notes. I don't know exactly what they are. I'm going to say 8.9 out of 10. Just don't eat them too fast if you can't handle spice. And that's all for today. Have a nice day.